Amidst the vibrant landscapes of the Dominican Republic, a tapestry of industries weaves the economic narrative, from mining and tourism to manufacturing, energy, telecommunications, and agriculture. Yet each sector faces challenges intricately shaped by the country's geography. Enter EDDY Pump, a beacon of innovation and efficiency in the heart of the Caribbean. EDDY Pump introduces a suite of pumping and dredging solutions meticulously crafted for the unique needs of the Dominican Republic's diverse industries. Let's embark on a journey through innovation. From submersible slurry pumps to self-priming slurry pumps, flooded suction pumps, and cutting-edge dredge equipment, EDDY Pump doesn't just offer products, it provides solutions that propel the Dominican Republic's industries forward. Mining operations with varied terrains, the tourism sector combating coastal erosion, and manufacturing industries demanding a precise material transfer. EDDY Pump steps in to navigate these challenges head-on. From beach nourishment to canal dredging and infrastructure maintenance, EDDY Pump's hydraulic dredging equipment is a testament to responsible and efficient dredging practices. With a presence in Santo Domingo and Santiago de los Caballeros, EDDY Pump is not just a solution provider, it's your local partner, understanding the nuances of the Dominican Republic's industrial landscape. In conclusion, EDDY Pump emerges as the catalyst for sustainable growth, offering equipment and a commitment to the prosperity of mining, tourism, manufacturing, energy, telecommunications, and agriculture. Choose EDDY Pump, where cutting-edge technology meets local expertise. Explore our rental services today, and let's navigate the Dominican Republic's industrial future together. EDDY Pump. We pump solids, not water.